Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you metal outdoor fireplace for patio. This is 39 inches. This is fire pit, outside wood burning with grill. Let's open it. Here is the user manual. And these are what we have inside the box. We'll go ahead and take them all out and start assembling. Here we have, before we get started, these are what I have in the box. At the end, we're gonna get this. Here is the first step. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of the screws over here and tighten them up. We're almost done. I will go ahead and put these between them right there and then screw them. I'm done with all of them, and I will use screws and then go ahead and screw it there and tighten them up. This is what we have so far. There we go. Just gonna put the door and then push it. Now we're good to go. Make sure they are aligned, and then you can push it. Put in the middle. And this is gonna go here. And here is the last part. Now we are done with the installation, 100%. Let's close the door. Here is the back side. And this is the top part. Here's the bottom part, the middle. This is the handle. If you want to put wood or coal, basically take these out and put them inside and put it inside right there. That's gonna be easy. Now we are done with the fire. You can either put wood or coal. Food is almost ready. Now the weather is cold and I don't like it. It's keeping me warm. Now I'm using wood. Let's close this and this. Now we're good to go. Isn't this awesome and romantic? Definitely suggest this item. You can put some wood over there. That's the storage. You can use the aluminum that comes with the box. Let's open the door.